On this video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Google search scraper to get thousands of leads in seconds. All you gotta do is hit that link down below and get involved, but let's get straight into this. First, what you wanna do is open up the extension and type in the keywords of your choice. For example, you can see I've put plumber and then in the place I want to get. All right, just make sure you've got your spellings right. That's the most important bit. Then go and open a new tab, all right? Open up the extension. It's going to start searching this in the Google search for you. Now, guys, Google search is the #1 search platform on the internet. So you having this tool is a massive advantage to your business. So look how fast it can get all the different leads on Google search. Guys, you can get all their phone numbers completely extracted from that, right? Super easy, thousands and thousands of leads. So you can see it scrolling down there. It'll go through all the keywords, all right? It will just keep going until your keywords have been completely finished. You'll see we'll probably get to like about 1,000 leads-ish, probably just over 1,000. All right, that's how much it works when you put in about 8 leads. How long would it take you, guys? I want you to tell me. How long would it take you to get over 1,000 leads of your own, trying to get business numbers of your own, okay, without this tool, just going through Google, clicking on all these links? Guys, I'm going to show you now how to download this. You've got 1,000 plus in every single one, all right? So what you want to do is go to export CSV. Okay, that's how we're going to be downloading these, guys. It's super easy. Hit that export button, all right, and click download as CSV. It's going to download to your computer, and what you want to do is open up a Google file, all right? When you open up this Google file, you want to drag that into there, all right? Just drop it in there, and it's going to download itself into Google. Now, once you've opened it, you simply hit the open with, okay, and you're going to open with Google Sheets. Guys, it's that easy. You now have a whole Google Sheet Excel layout, okay, of all the information that you need. Every keyword, every title, every phone, every URL, email, Facebook, everything you can see all the way across. Guys, it's incredible, all right? And if you're looking for phone numbers, it couldn't be as easy than this. Now, how long would it take you to do this? That's what I try and ask people, right? How long would it take you if you didn't have this tool? Because that's the main decision of why you would get this tool. So you see the phone numbers here. That's what we've been searching for. Scroll down, and you can see in seconds, okay, minutes of this working, you've already got hundreds. In about 5 minutes, you've got thousands, okay? And you can use this as many times as you want with as many keywords as you like, guys. Scrolling all the way down, you can see here we're about to, I don't know, maybe we'll get to about 800. I don't know. But this is the fastest way I've ever seen to get these leads, all right? And we're giving it to you for an incredible price. All you got to do is hit that link down below to get involved. So, guys, how many did we get in total? We got too many. You can see the sum there, trying to count it. 2,049, guys. So simple. Now, guys, how do you download this Google search scraper? Go over to leadsniper.com product and go to the Google search scraper. Scroll all the way down the new tab that is open, and it will show you exactly all the information of what it will extract. Okay, but to buy this, you need to go to the bottom, past the videos, past the sheets, all the way to where it says, which subscription would you like to choose? Now, with a lifetime access, a one-time payment of $149, you will get the extension for one installation on the starter pack. Okay, click buy now. If you want the popular pack, get the $267 one-time purchase, remember, for 5 installations. Now, guys, if you want to be fantastic like me, get the $389 pack, because that gets you the best value out there, and you get 10 extensions in total, plus all the features that we spoke about. Simple as that. Just click buy now or scroll down to download the free version to try it out right there at the bottom. There you go, guys. Hit that link, please, and get involved. What I need you to do is hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you next time.